hello there, and we're going to put together this media cart. Got a lot of wires right here. You've got the projector, you've got the document camera, your laptop of course, and your speaker. You've got your remote control and your power cable, power strip. So we're going to put all these wires together where they're supposed to go. Ready? Here we go. First, we need to go through the wires to make sure we have all of them. I'm going to start with the projector's power cable. It should look like this right here amongst all these wires. Let's see if I can sort these out a bit better. Maybe not. Yes. Does this tangle look familiar? So, here we go. One end looks like this. The other end looks like what you plug into the outlet. So we're going to work with this cable right here. We're going to plug this part into the projector and this part later into the wall. It goes in right here, the very bottom in the middle. Plugs in there. The next cable we're going to use is this cable that has the dongle at the end. One end is like this, the other end is also like this, but it plugs into the dongle. This right here plugs into your laptop, and you have this symbol right there. It's going to plug into the side of the laptop that matches that symbol. Here we go. Plug this into the laptop on the side, and it should plug in right there. And you should be able to see this symbol right there where this plugs in right here. So, the other end of this is going to plug into the document camera. It's going to go into VGA in. Right here, I'll bring the camera over. In the back here, VGA in. Okay, and you can screw these little things in to lock it. The next thing I'm going to do is plug in the power for the document camera. The power for the document camera comes in two cables that is combined into one cable. One cable looks like this. Okay, this part is going to plug into this square little box you see here. So you can see how that plugs in like that. Make sure it's good and snug all the way in. And the other end of this looks like this end, the yellow tip. This plugs into the document power in the back next to the black VGA cord right here. So it says DC 12 volts right there. So that plugs in right there, nice and snug. And later we're going to plug this in later. Alright, so I'm just going to set that aside. So now we have the laptop image going through this cable to VGA in, and then VGA out. We're going to use the blue cable. And this cable has these ends, like that. And one end, it doesn't matter which one. One end goes here. And you can screw these little guys in, like that. I'll make a little close up for you. Okay, so think black and blue. These two cables are together. They're both black. This one's blue. Black and blue. If you can think of that, you got it. Okay, the other blue cable goes right into the back part of the projector. I had shown you earlier where this power cable plugs in. It's right there. And as a side note, never turn this off. This 0 should be up, the 1 should be in. Never turn this switch off. Meanwhile, back to the VGA cable. Blue matches blue. Plugs in just like that. So we're going to go ahead and screw these in. Screw that in. And we're good and snug there. Okay. The next cable we need to do is the audio cables. And these look very similar. One cable, both ends look like this, and it has 2 stripes. This tells you that it is stereo, not mono. The other cable has this end, and the other end has 1 stripe. It is mono. So, mono E mono, and stereo E stereo. Okay, these right here, we're going to go from the laptop to the projector. So, one end goes into the side of the laptop, right here where the headphones are. And the other end goes to the projector where it says audio. And it's right here, audio. It's the top one. The bottom one says audio out, audio and audio out. This is going to go out to the speaker, so the sound is going to come out, so it can go out to the speaker. We're going to use this cable. This plug plugs in here, and this plug is going to go to the speaker. So here we have the speaker, and it's going to go into line 1, the red part. There we go. Okay. Now, we have our wires hooked up. We have the laptop hooked up for video and audio. Now there's one more cable. It is the USB cable. This cable has USB-A and USB-B. It has this little trident symbol on them. Alright, they usually are used for printers, but we're going to use this one for a special reason. This end goes into the USB part of the laptop. You got 2 parts here. Choose your favorite. I'll choose that one since it's all together. And the other end, you're probably seeing this go to printers, but this end is going to go to the projector. And it's going to go to the only place where it says USB. I can't get them all tied up here. I'm really tied up. USB PC. It's the only way, it only fits in one way. There you go. What this enables you to do is, now once you have your laptop on, you can use the remote control to control the cursor on the screen of your laptop, and then when you want to click it, you can hit enter. Yeah, it's a nice little feature. You don't have to use it. You don't even have to plug in this gray USB cable. It's just convenient and geeky. I love that. So, now we're going to apply power to everything. We're going to go back to the projector, because I like to start with the projector first. We're going to plug that into our strip. Okay, so I'll just find a spot, plug it in. Now I'm going to go to our document camera and plug that into our power strip. Then I'm going to go to our speaker, our speaker, and plug that in. Okay, got everything plugged in. If you want to plug in your laptop, you know how to do that, don't you? Alright, now as far as the speaker settings go, it's varied. You can have the bass all straight up. That could be nice. If you want to max out your volume, you can, because you control the volume via the projector or your laptop. So you can have that one all the way up. You can also control the volume on your remote control that says volume. You can even magnify. There's some cool stuff on here. Picture mute, cool stuff you can use. And of course, your on and off. wonderful little things here. Menu. Okay, there's your volume for the projector. And that's pretty much how you set up your media card. One more thing I want to show you is that your document camera, always leave this on. Never turn this off. Always on. Don't do that. Oh, that's bad. Leave it on. Okay? This right here is for your lamp. To turn it on, you plug it in, and this light turns on. You turn it off by unplugging it. If you want to toggle between using your document camera and your laptop, you can press this, move out of the way, this button right here. See that symbol? It goes from document to laptop. Just push it, it'll toggle in between. And that's the main thing you need to do on that. We can have another video on all training on all the other buttons later on if you wish. Okay. To turn on your, you also need to plug in your power strip. Using this cable here, plug this into the wall. Okay. You probably also want to put your speaker down below and point it out to the rest of your classroom. And you can move your projector wherever you would like it. If you want it pointed that way. That way. If you want it pointed that way. Who knows what you want to do? The possibilities are, well, 4. Okay, so there's your document camera. You can turn this around however you want. You can even move this, the lever up and down. Move it back inside there if you like. Or up, like that. There's the media card. I hope this really helps you, and enjoy using it. Very cool stuff. Thank you for watching.